Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of TypeScript. In this video, we deep dive into TypeScript 4. Actually, what we can learn in this video, first, we write a program to add two numbers. Second, how to catch error and solve it in a TypeScript. Third, we talk about TypeScript configuration file, which is a very important file in a TypeScript. So let's start it. Here you can see I open my code editor and first I close this welcome window. Next I go to Explorer section and here I create one file with the name of index.ts. Press enter and here you can see our file successfully created. In this file, first we create a function. Here I write a simple JavaScript code. So here I write function keyword, then sum, and then I pass two parameters a and b. And after that I use curly brackets and in this I return a plus b. After that I use a console.log method. Then I call this function. I write sum and here I pass two values, one for a parameter and second for b. So I save this and now I run this code and see a result. So I open a terminal. So here I directly run index.ts file. So here I write node index.ts, press enter and you can see 20 plus 10 is equal to 30 and here you can see I get 30 result. Okay, after that now what will happen if here I use a string value like honey and save the file and again go to a terminal and here I run the node.tss file. So here I write node index.ts and press enter and now you can see we add two number value but here you can see I get 20 honey. So now I use the power of TypeScript. For that first we assign a type to a. So here I write number and second I assign again a type to a b number. Now save and here you can see it say argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number. They say you cannot assign a string value to this parameter which type is number. So this is the power of TypeScript because TypeScript show an error as a development section. So here you can see I cannot run a code but it show an error. Okay, so again here I use this one like 10 and save the file and now you can see I cannot get any error more. So in next step what we can do is now I convert this ts file into a JavaScript file. So for that what I can do here, so here I write cls clear this window and now here I write tsc and ts, press enter and now you can see it convert index.ts file into index.js file. Now I run this index.js file. So here I write node index.js, press enter and you can see I get 30 value. So in next step what we can do here, so I clear this and now we can also give a type to this function as a number. So this is a number. Okay, now this function return a number value. So for that I again delete this index.js file. Now I can show you how we can run this file now because now I cannot run this file directly. So here I write node index.ts, press enter. You can see it gave an error, syntax error on expected toggle. So now I convert this file into index.js file. For that here I write tsc and then I write index.ts, press enter and it convert index.js file into index.js file. Now I clear this terminal and again I use node index.js and press enter and you can see I get the 30 result because 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Now we do two things. First we create a function to add two number and second is we catch an error and with the help of TypeScript we can solve it. Okay, so next step we talk about a TypeScript configuration file. For that I clear this terminal And I will show you one thing. I did this TypeScript configuration index.js file, and I go to index.tss file. Okay, so here I pass a string value. Here I write honey and save the file. Now you can see it gave an error here, but I want to convert this index.ts file into index.js file. So here I write tsc, and here I write index.ts, press enter, and you can see it gave an error, but it convert index.js file. Now we want, when I get error in index.ts file, the ts file cannot convert into index.js file. For that we create a TypeScript configuration file here. So for that I clear this terminal. Now here I write tsc --init, press enter, and it generate TypeScript configuration file here. Okay, go open this file and now search for, here I write emission, and here you can see no emit error. We uncomment this and save the file, and now I go to index.ts file, and again I delete this index.js file. Okay, now I open terminal, and in this time I write tsc and press enter. If you write tsc index.ts, it generate a TypeScript index.js file. You can see it generate again a index.js file, but this time you cannot use a index.ts file name. Okay, you simply write, I delete this index.js file, and now I write simply tsc and press enter, and you can see it generate an error, but it cannot create a index.js file. Okay, and one more command for that. When we get a error in an index.ts file, but when we can convert this file into an index.js file, it cannot be created. So you simply write here. So I clear again the terminal, and here you simply write tsc and again no hyphen no emit, no emit on error, and then write index.ts file name. So press enter. So again you can see it gave an error but cannot create a index.ts file. So this is the benefit of TypeScript configuration file. You can use this command, or you simply write only a ts command here. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friend. I will see you in the next video.